everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So this is the unboxing of kit number 23 by the Papercraft Society. This one's been done by crafty individuals. So you've got this craft card box here with these silhouette images. And then inside it says, "Be bold, turn up the colour." And then you're hit with this lovely rich kind of autumn tones here. So I'm quite excited for this. I have seen, because it's been out for a while, so I have seen like what people can kind of make with it, but I haven't seen the unboxing that Lou does. So take all of this out here. So you get your envelope and you get your tissue paper. Save the tissue paper till later. So here is the crafty individuals, and like I said, box number 23. And then inside you've got this wonderful pinky colour there, and you've got 2 stamp sets, die set, embossing folder, stencil, toppers. There's all sorts in this one, so let me grab some copy paper. Okay, so we'll start with the dies. So you get this, it looks like you build a scene. So you've got an outline die here with this pretty frame detail, and then you have this one that would just give you another thin kind of layer to build up inside of that one. But then you get this pretty one. See, I'm thinking shaker cards as soon as I see things like this. So that you can cut this out, and then you can cut this into this shape here. So you know, you can see that scene that you're starting to build, or you can pop it into this one here. It's entirely up to you. And then you've got a couple of oval dies there, I guess, for sentiments and just for any other kind of decoration you want to do. But that's quite a sweet die, actually. I don't have anything like that, so it'd be interesting to see what I can create with that one. So the nice thing about the kits is it's not always necessarily your style or what you would tend to maybe buy, but by having the kit, especially if you subscribe, you're always kind of given something new each month, so it helps you, I don't know, sometimes craft out of your comfort zone, I guess. The sentiment here is for someone special. Then you've got a little leaf die and the flowers there as well. The embossing folder is this one here. Be nice to ink that one up, actually. So you've got all the different leaves there, and then like the vein detail. And then you've got 2 stamp sets, so we'll go with this one first. Now, I've not just done another silhouette video, and these are real good silhouette dies, so you could create some really lovely scenes with that technique. I'll share that video now in case anybody's missed it, but it's lovely. So you've got some really lovely images there. You've got the ducks, you've got your tree there, bird, spread your wings and fly, the tree trunk. Yeah, really nice. And there's the stencil there as well, which you can probably see better against that pink. I'll leave it there, but you can see, again, you can build up a scene. So I imagine you'd use that because it's the same kind of size as that frame there. There we go, exactly the same size. So you'd build up your scene within that space. And then the other stamps, you get, like I said, 2 stamp sets in this one. So you've got the definition of autumn, and again more trees. You've got the water there, you've got this nice background, that bird there you could colour, and it could be a few different birds. Probably is a robin, but you could definitely turn it into something else. And then this here, I guess these are toppers. What have we got here? Yeah, so you can just cut, they're not stickers. So you just cut those out. So you get 2 of each. So you've got those 2, and these are your pattern papers. You've got, I love that one. It's like an ombre of those lovely autumn colours. You've got 2 scenes here. So again, I'm imagining they are, yeah, because it's A5. So straight away you could just cut that frame. Imagine like gold mirrored cardstock, and you've already got your background, and then you could, you know, stamp your bird and stuff in front. So you get two of that one. Already done that one, and you've got this one here with the trees, and then you've got this one here. I love those. It's my kind of colours though. It's like those oranges and pinks And these, I need to think of a way that I can make these work for me, because it isn't something I would necessarily go for, but I'm thinking of some fun folds, card styles that those squares would work in. So I think that's where I'm going to go with that. So that's everything in the envelope. And then in the tissue, we have a ink bottle here. Now these are the same ones that were in the Lou Collins kit, and there's so much colour in these. And it looks like this has got like a mica. I'm sure there was some shine on that. Let me get this on. I'm going to put a little bit on this paper here just so you can see. I mean, you can see already the colour in this. Let's just rub that out. There we go. Oh, it's lovely. It's my favourite colour. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was red or like an orange. Oh, that is so nice. That is such a nice colour. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using that. It just looks really red in there. Just shows you have to swatch these things out, because that's a nice surprise. So yeah, lovely pink colour. Then you've got some twine here with the pink and orange. So again, everything matching. And then here's your cardstock. So let's just take this out of the sleeve. So again, you'll get 2 of each. White core. So you get 2 in the orange, 2 in this kind of wine colour, 2 in that lovely pink, and then you've got 2 in this brown colour here. So some nice colours there. Everything matches. And then you got your booklet. So I'm guessing this is the lady behind Crafty Individuals. So let's have a little look at some of the inspiration here. Oh wow, that's really nice. So unusual. So that's that die. Really different. Looks like a bit of home decor. Let's have a look at some of the cards that the design team have done. So there's that scene building there. It's really pretty. Got a gift box idea, easel card. So we've got a pop-up box, and then you've got these ones here with the toppers, so you can see what they've done with those. Got a slimline, you've got a 6x6 style, and then you've got some others there that Nikki's done. So lots of inspiration, but I'm thinking more down the fun fold route. And I'm going to definitely be using this to make my own kind of papers and stuff, background papers. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's the unboxing for kit 23 from the Papercraft Society. I will share the direct link to this kit below in the description box, but I'll also share the subscription one as well. So if you want to check out subscriptions for future boxes, and you can also look back at all the past boxes, so do check out my playlist, because I've got unboxings for every single box starting from number 1. So you can really get an idea if it is something that you would enjoy. The subscriptions are different. You've got month to month, which works out the most expensive way, but then you've got like you've got quarterly, 6 monthly, and yearly works out the cheapest. I think it ends up being £18 something per box, so it's a much cheaper option to go for. And I know lots of people do the year one. So yeah, but have a little look, see if it's something you would enjoy. But there is also the open stock, so if it is just this box that you like, then check out my links below, and look out for future tutorials where I start to use this product as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.